that's good. Fielding made me take a ride with him.
I forced you. Had to twist his damn arm.
Classic.
They don't too high.
It always happens.
Okay, gotta get one done. Give you a better lap now.
Oh, we're going again?
Yeah, we'll go again.
Oh, sweet.
I gotta give you a whole lap.
That was just the last turn.
Yeah, but that was the best turn. I'm just saying that. Whatever it takes. There's more grip now.
Oh yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, it's like, well, it was just 2 laps ago, much slicker because of the water.
Yeah.
Completely dried up, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah! Woo! Hell yeah! Woo! That's the way to do it right there.
Yeah, baby! That was great.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad you're helping out so much on Driftweek. I just had to give you a ride.
I appreciate it.
I know that it's boring watching us have fun, so
Oh, you know,
get you to participate. You're in.
I'm learning a lot, honestly, watching more than you think.
Good. I'm glad to hear that.
Hell yeah. Sweet. We going again?
I gotta drop you back at the tower.
Oh yeah.
You know,
I don't know the track layout.
you're like, oh, I'm done. Take me home.
I want to get the fuck out of here.
Where is it stuck? Burn up! Come on! Here we
Driftweek stuff.